And tonight, in the Walmart parking lot, and what not to do in the Walmart parking lot, we will focus indirectly on directly focusing on people in the Walmart parking lot who are currently doing thou things with thy people of thy night. That's right. That's right. People are in here genital jousting in some of these cars with some of the characters of the night. Now, this Walmart isn't far from the strolleth of thy prostitutionist, which I don't knock. I don't knock those people. Everybody's got to make a living. But does thy have to do thou in thy parking lot of thy Walmarteth? The genital jousting, or better known as playing putt-putt penis. We mustn't play putt-putt penis in the Walmart parking lot after dark because this is what not to do in the Walmart parking lot. Genital jousting not allowed. Batteries not included. If you haven't told somebody you love them today, make sure you tell them you love them. Otherwise, they might go out into the darkness and find someone to go genital jousting with, better known as putt putt penis. Hole in one.